Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. So before going into the main content of this video, here I started one Facebook account guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is really a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are waiting for the assistant professor vacancies from the government colleges. So here the Rajasthan Public Service Commissions announced the 918 vacancies from the 31 departments from the state government colleges from this State Public Service Commission. So here you can see that the assistant professor vacancies and coming to the departments here are as per the caste category wise, the departments are mentioned here. The other state candidates can also apply, but they comes under the general category. Fine. And the name of the subject, botany, chemistry, maths, physics, zoology, ABST, business administration, EAFM, textile dyeing and painting, geology, law, drawing and painting, economics, English, geography, Hindi, history, sociology, music, philosophy, political science, public administration, Sanskrit, Urdu, home science, food nutrition, home science, education extension and home management and child development and clothing textile and entomology, agriculture and Punjabi. So total 918 vacancies are there. So you can check down as per the caste category. Here in this table. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, or else official website link in the description box of this video. So you may check down for more accurate and the correct details. And coming to here, good academic record with at least 55% of marks at the master's degree level in the relevant subject. And apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC or a CSIR SLET or SET qualification must be there. And if anyone candidate is having the PhD, then he or she is exempted from this UGC or the CSIR national level examinations. So these are the details. And coming to the salary, 15,600 to 39,100 plus academic grade pay 6,000 will be available. And minimum age limit is 21 years and the maximum age limit is 40 years as on the date 1/7/2020. And the relaxation of 5 years is available for the OBC and more backward class of Rajasthan state and the SC and ST male candidates, and 5 years for the women candidates belonging to general category and Rajasthan state's economically weaker section, and 10 years for these category. And there is no upper age limit for the widow and divorced women. So for more conditions you may check down this notification guys. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And the starting date is 9th November 2020 and the closing date is 8th December 2020. And here the important websites are also mentioned here. Okay, so through these websites you can register or else you can apply online for this 918 assistant professor posts. And coming to the selection procedure, the written examination and the interview will be there. So coming to the written examination, total the 3 papers are there. So one is the subject concerned with post 75 marks and subject concerned with the post 75 marks. And next one is general studies of Rajasthan, 50 marks, total 200 marks are there. And the interview carries the 24 marks. And the syllabus as specified by the commission from time to time and will be intimated to the candidates within the stipulated time. So these are the details guys. Fine. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notification, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen guys. The Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC net electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.